What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Foxbody Garage, 4th of July weekend. We're back on the scene, fellas. Okay, today's task, let's jump right into it. First and foremost, guys, thanks for commenting, liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Guys, it costs you nothing. You watch the video, hit the like button. It helps me out. It doesn't hurt you or cost you anything or anything. Got it? Got it. All right, so with that said, let's jump right back into it. As we stated in the last video, we were doing the fuel system. Okay, we got the fuel system pretty much all done, except we got the main fuel line that goes from the regulator to the fuel rails. Okay, and that's what we're gonna do today, and hopefully some other stuff so we could get this all done, because we want to get this truck running. Like I said, in the next 10 days I gotta have this truck running. I wish everybody a happy 4th of July. Guys, I worked yesterday for 4th of July somehow, somewhere. I was supposed to be on vacation from Friday to Friday, and I got a call saying that I was on call. I'm an elevator mechanic by trade, so every 8-9 days we got to do a 24-hour shift, and it landed that my 24-hour shift was yesterday for 4th of July, but today is Monday, so we actually have the day off. So I don't know, it's a whole big controversy, and I'm not really worried about it. So I'm a little beat up, a little tired, but we still got to get this truck done. And with that said, let's get right into the build. I'm rambling, guys. I'm tired. It was a late night for me last night. So once again, happy 4th of July to America and all my subscribers. Guys, hit the like and comment button. Stop fooling around. All right, here we go. Today's task is going to be the main fuel line, and then we'll see what we got to do next. After that, probably put the starter up. I'm going to go buy a starter and some oil, put some oil in it, and a battery. But let's get the fuel line, main line feed done. Stated in the last video, let me show you real quick. That's going to be the plan. We're going to take the main. I wish the rail was on this side, because I mounted all the pump, the regulator, etc. on that frame rail and not that frame rail. But it is what it is now. So we're going to go, I guess, from here straight down. Straight down into, let's see, right, as you can see, into the regulator from there. So we're going to go across, up, and around. Okay, guys, that's what we're going to do today. And hopefully we'll get all the stuff done also. It shouldn't take long to make that one line. So let me put the camera down. Let me put the camera down, get right into this, and we'll start from there. I made a makeshift tripod thing for the with a pair of vice grips. How's it working out? I don't know. We'll find out in the video. Can you see me? Yeah, I guess you can. All right, so like I said, we'll be right back. Let me get the fuel line and everything going. There it is right here. We're going to make that braided line. The only problem is we can't really swivel it because it's on a vice grip handle. So let me get the fuel line made up, and I'll be back. Stay tuned. All right, everybody. Welcome back. Final update for today. We located all the factory wiring. When I took the truck apart, I labeled everything. When I took it apart, we got the choke, we got the starter wires, we got the distributor wires, which is this one, and we have a yellow one and a red one. that runs down there. This is the bulkhead fitting right here that comes up. This is the bulkhead fitting, comes up, runs across into this channel, and goes into the wires that I just stated before. You got the starter wire, the choke cable, and you got your distributor wires. So I just looked into the next phase of this build, which is going to be the wiring. I opened it up. They give you the fuse box. You got the fuse box, and we have all these wires here. The good thing about it, it should be plug and play to the harness. Everything is labeled, knock sensor, you got OB2, you got your map, you got your crank sensor, etc. Okay, this is an LS3 480 horse for 2006 to 2010 Chevy Corvette. Okay, that's what this connect and cruise system is from. Okay, so that's what we got. Stay tuned for the next video. We got a whole bunch of instruction sheets right here. We didn't even open it yet. We got to see what it's about. We'll learn as we go along together. Stay tuned. The fun is going to begin now. We got to get this wired up. I bought oil, antifreeze, power steering fluid. The only thing I did not get is a starter, because we still don't know what starter it needs. I got to find out from the instruction sheet. So we'll go from there as we go. So until the next time, everybody, do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. LS3 480 horse swap C10 build continues. Like I stated before, this is where the fun begins. It's supposed to be a connecting cruise, so there should be a spot for every part of that harness. And then we're just going to have to power it up in grounds and stuff like that. But we will follow the directions to the letter, and I'll take you along for the ride. All right, everybody, enjoy. Have a great day. Better tomorrow. Till the next time, peace.